Why you should target to gain muscle instead of aiming to lose weight. Losing weight is great, but not when you are also losing muscle. Many do not realize the negative impact of reducing too much calories in a short span of time in the attempt to lose weight as fast as possible. While you might be able to see fast results of weight loss by doing that, you will also lose muscle at the same time. Since a higher muscle mass helps increase our metabolic rate, it is important to ensure that we do not lose muscles when cutting back on calories. This is why many struggle to keep their weight off after losing it. The more effective approach would be to build muscle mass, which will simultaneously increase our metabolic rate, thus also accelerating the loss of weight. Over a longer term, this will be more sustainable and effective. In addition, muscles help increase strength and reduces the risk of injuries. So how do we build muscle mass and lose fat simultaneously? 1. Eat more protein. Use a fitness tracker app to ensure you consume more protein when cutting back on your calories. Aim to consume at least 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. A diet higher in protein will put your body into a fat-burning state and boost your metabolic rate. You will also be able to gain muscles at the same time. 2. Aim to lose weight over a longer term. Majority will try to lose weight as fast as possible, however, this will result in the loss of muscle mass. Aim to not lose more than 0.7 kilograms per week. Do not take a caloric deficit of more than 20% on your maintenance calories. Like and subscribe for more useful content. Thank you. 3. Do resistance training. Lift weights at least 3 times a week to maintain and build muscle mass. Aim to prioritize weight training over cardio workouts. Find an effective workout plan that will fit your schedule, and stay consistent. 4. Remember to rest. Depending on the muscle group you are training, muscles repair and grow when they rest. A minimum of a 24-hour window is ideal before hitting the same muscle group again. Alternate and plan your workouts to vary the muscle groups if you are having more sessions in a week. 5. Stay focused and be patient. And this is the hardest tip of them all. Depending on your training experience, while the results might be obvious for beginners, it will slow down as you practice these tips over time and reach closer to your goal. A way to combat this is to variate your workouts and ensure you increase your exercise intensity. Stay focused and assure yourself that you are slowly getting closer and closer to your goal. Follow these simplified quick tips and see results. Thank you for watching.